Welcome to Infinitunal, your portal to the wonders of the universe. Today, we delve into a question that has captivated humanity since the dawn of time: is immortality possible? While for us, it remains the stuff of science fiction, for one tiny creature in our oceans, it's a biological reality. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. This remarkable animal, no bigger than a pinky fingernail, holds a secret that defies the very laws of aging as we know them. Most living things follow a linear path: birth, growth, reproduction, and eventually, death. It's a one-way street. But Turritopsis dohrnii has a reset button. When faced with stress, such as old age, injury, or unfavorable environmental conditions, this jellyfish can do something extraordinary. It can reverse its own life cycle, reverting from its adult form back to its earliest stage of life. Imagine a butterfly, instead of dying, choosing to transform back into a caterpillar. That's essentially what the immortal jellyfish does. This process is nothing short of biological wizardry. The adult jellyfish, known as a medusa, folds its bell and tentacles inward, reabsorbing them. It then sinks to the ocean floor, transforming into a blob-like cyst. This cyst then develops into a new polyp colony, which is the juvenile stage of a jellyfish. From this polyp colony, new, genetically identical adult medusae will eventually bud off. They are, in essence, reborn. The new jellyfish that emerge are clones of the old one, but they are young, healthy, and ready to start the life cycle all over again. This isn't just about healing, it's a complete biological restart. The jellyfish doesn't just patch up damage, it erases its adult identity and becomes a baby again, carrying the same genetic information into a new life. The scientific term for this incredible feat is transdifferentiation. Transdifferentiation is a rare and powerful biological process where a mature, specialized cell transforms into a completely different type of specialized cell. Think about the cells in your body. A heart cell is programmed to be a heart cell, and a brain cell is a brain cell. They have specific jobs and can't just decide to switch roles. Your heart cells won't suddenly start thinking, and your brain cells won't start pumping. But in transdifferentiation, this fundamental rule is broken. It's like a skilled carpenter suddenly becoming a master chef, with all the necessary skills and attributes, without going back to being an apprentice first. During the immortal jellyfish's transformation, its specialized cells, like those in its bell or tentacles, completely reprogram themselves. A muscle cell can become a nerve cell, or a skin cell can become a gamete-producing cell. This cellular reprogramming allows the jellyfish to effectively build a new, young body from the raw materials of its old one. It's the ultimate form of recycling, happening at a microscopic level. This process allows Turritopsis dohrnii to potentially live forever, cycling between its adult and juvenile stages indefinitely. Of course, immortal in this context means biologically immortal. They aren't invincible. They can still be eaten by predators or succumb to diseases that prevent them from transforming. But they will never die of old age. Their ability to hit the reset button means they have, in theory, an unlimited lifespan, making them one of the most unique organisms on our planet. This naturally leads to a fascinating and profound question: could this secret to eternal youth ever be applied to humans? The prospect is tantalizing. Imagine a future where we could reverse aging-related damage, regenerate old or failing organs, and turn back our biological clock. However, the biological gap between a human and a jellyfish is immense. We are vastly more complex organisms. A jellyfish has a relatively simple body plan with only a few thousand cells and a limited number of cell types. Humans, on the other hand, have trillions of cells organized into hundreds of distinct types, forming intricate tissues and organ systems. Reversing the aging process in a human would be exponentially more complicated than it is for Turritopsis dohrnii. Scientists are deeply studying the process of transdifferentiation, not with the immediate goal of making humans immortal, but for its potential in regenerative medicine. The core principle of transdifferentiation, reprogramming one cell type into another, is the holy grail for treating a vast array of conditions. Imagine being able to take a patient's own skin cells and transform them into new heart cells to repair damage after a heart attack. Or converting them into insulin-producing cells to help a person with diabetes. This is the promise of cellular reprogramming. By understanding the genetic and molecular triggers that allow the immortal jellyfish to perform this feat, we might learn how to induce a similar, but much more controlled, process in our own cells.